Hello everyone, welcome to Georeality Tech. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for coming by. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome as well. In this video, I will show you how to assign a projected coordinate system in ArcGIS and why it is important. I will also show you how to clip a road shapefile to your specific study area for more accurate analysis. So, why is projected coordinate system matter? What does it matter? The geographic coordinate system, which is WGS 1984, measures in degree, which is good for locations. The projected coordinate system, which is in UTM zone, measures in meters, essentially for distance and area. Without projecting your data, your map won't measure distance or area accurately. So for this purpose, let's dive in on how to go about that. So first of all, I have my shapefile of the area I'm working on. Then I have the road shapefile as well. The road shapefile is the road of all the places in Nigeria. It's made up of the roads in Nigeria. So I want to clip it to this specific study area, this specific shapefile. So first of all, what I will do, both of them, I will right click on my shapefile to see the coordinate system that is there. I'll right click, then go to source. Now it's in geographic coordinate system. I want to change it from geographic coordinate system to projected coordinate system. So how do I go about that? First of all, we click on our ArcGIS. ArcGIS data management tool. Let's just start from afresh. See. ArcGIS. In our ArcGIS, we click on the plus icon in data management tool. We go to project, data management tool, projection and transformation. You click on the plus icon. Then we go to project. Now, our input data of future class will add the study area. Now you save it to any folder of your choice. Let me save it to my folder. I will name it projected. Now, output coordinate system. You click on it. Now we have two types of project coordinate system. We have the geographic coordinate system, projected coordinate system. Since I'm assigning the projected coordinate system because it already had a geographic coordinate system, I'll click on it, scroll down to UTM Zone, scroll down as well to WGS 1984, then Southern Hemisphere. Now, why I'm choosing Southern Hemisphere is that my study area is in, Northern Hemisphere. My study area is in Northern Hemisphere, so I am choosing Northern Hemisphere. I'll click on the plus icon. Then my study area is in UTM Zone 32. I will scroll down to WGS 1984 UTM Zone 32. Okay, WGS 1984 UTM Zone 32. So I click on it and click OK. That's all. That's what you have to do. Then click OK again. So it's done. Let's go back to check. I right click, go to properties, properties source. It's still not there. Let me repeat the process and let's see. Project. This time around, let's see. Coordinate system, projected coordinate system, UTM zone, WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere, UTM zone 32, UTM zone 32. I'll click OK, then OK. It's already here. Okay, this is it. Projected. All right, so let's right click and see. So you can see it's now in projected coordinate system. We have it in projected coordinate system, UTM zone, WGS 1984, UTM zone 32. So let's see the difference. This is the one we just projected. Let's see the previous one. You right click. You see it has only geographic coordinate system. There is no projection. You click OK. Let's see. So we repeat the same process for the road shapefile. Project for the road shapefile. This is for our road. I will assign the projected coordinate system, repeating the same process. Projection, UTM zone, WGS 1984, Northern Hemisphere, UTM zone 32, then OK. Wait for it to load. Why it's taking time is because it's the full road shapefile of Nigeria. That's why it's taking time. So wait for it. So it's done, but I discovered that there is a mistake in the projection because we are working on the full road shapefile of Nigeria, and Nigeria does not have only one UTM zones. Nigeria is divided into 3 UTM zones. We have zone 31, zone 32, and zone 33. So for us to project the full road shapefile to zone 31, it will not be accurate. So first, what I will do is that I'm going to delete the projected road shapefile. I'm removing it. Then what I will do is I will clip out the road shapefile of our study area, then project that particular road shapefile since we are only working on a specific area of UTM zone 32, sorry. So what I will do now for me to clip out this specific road shapefile, I'll go to geoprocessing tool at the top, geoprocessing. You see clip, click on clip. The input feature will be our road shapefile. The clip feature will be our study area. Now I save it to my file, my folder. So it will be in the core root. Then I save and I'm done. You click OK. Wait for it to be done. So we are done. Now I will uncheck the shapefile for the road of Nigeria. We now have the shapefile of the road and that of the study area. Everything is aligned. So let's check the coordinate system of the road shapefile. First, I will delete that of the full Nigeria. Let me remove it. Now, I right click on the Ndukwa road, go to properties. As we can say, is in geographic coordinate system and have not been assigned to projected coordinate system. So what I will do now, I will repeat the same process now. This time I will get a more accurate result because I'm working on an area that is solely UTM Zone 32. So I click on Ndukwa Road. Input coordinate system is already there, which is a geographic coordinate system. So now we are going to assign the projected coordinate system, which is the output coordinate system. I'll proceed to projected coordinate system, repeating the same process, UTM zones. Then I proceed to WGS 1984, Northern Hemisphere. Then I scroll down to UTM Zone 32. Now click OK. I wait for it. OK. All right. So right now we have Ndukwa Road projected and our study area shapefile that is projected. So let's check if it's actually projected. So you now see now we have the projected coordinate system UTM zone 32. So it has worked. What we will now do is I will remove the road shapefile that is in geographic coordinate system. I'll remove these two. So we have these two file that is in projected coordinate system. Now next video we'll try and measure the distances using the same shapefile. Thank you for watching. If you know this video has been impactful, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification button so that next time you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.